Hello everyone, Vish Agarwal here to present my latest project on Shield Insurance given by Atlic Technologies as part of my internship. Let's discuss the agenda of the presentation. First, we will get to know the company Shield Insurance. Next, we will get to know the problem statement that I have worked on. Third will be the insights that I have derived from the dashboard that I have created. And in the end, we will discuss the recommendations for Shield Insurance for their improvement. Without any further delay, let's start the presentation. Shield Insurance Company, a well-known supplier of comprehensive insurance, is wholly committed to protecting people from unforeseen events. They stand out among other players in the market because of their focus on assuring coverage reliability. The company is operational in five major cities in India that are Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Indore. To reach a broad customer base, the company employs multiple sales channels, that is, offline agents, offline direct, online app, and online websites. The company also offers nine different policies to cater the different varying needs of their clients. Now, let's get into the problem statement that I have worked on. Shield Insurance wants to enhance their data driven decision making capability. For that, they needed to make a BI dashboard that provides actionable insights for their key performance metrics. To evaluate the effectiveness of this initiative, Shield Insurance is considering a collaboration with Atlic Technologies. But before committing to a full scale project, the company wants to build a pilot project. The pilot project will serve as a proof of concept demonstrating Atlic Technologies' ability to meet Shield Insurance specific needs. The success of this pilot project will determine the potential for a larger partnership and the deployment of the dashboard solution. Now let's look at the dashboard that I have created. The dashboard consists of three pages. The first one being the overview dashboard. This provides an overview of essential insurance metrics including monthly revenue and customer trend along with customer segmentation. The next page is sales mode dashboard. This provides revenue and customer metrics based on different sales mode. The third and the last page is age group dashboard. This provides revenue and customer metrics based on different age groups. Now let's get into the dashboard that I have created and get some insights from it. This is the home page of the dashboard. These are the three pages that we discussed: overview dashboard, sales mode dashboard, and age group dashboard. Below these, we can see an overview of the following KPIs for the latest month, that is April 2023. The KPIs are total revenue, total customer, daily revenue growth rate, and daily customer growth rate. We can also see the percentage difference compared to the last month. Now, let's get into the first page, that is Overview Dashboard. This is the menu of the dashboard. This is the home button, clicking on which we can go directly to the home page. These are the three different pages of our dashboard, clicking on which we can go on the particular page. This is the filter section of the dashboard. Clicking on this button, we can clear all the filters at once. Clicking on this button shows us our filter panel. To go back from this filter panel, we can either click on this button or anywhere else on the screen. This section shows us all the currently applied filters. Let's apply some filter and see how this works. Here you can see we have all the currently applied filters. The benefit of this section is we don't have to open our filter panel again and again to check the filters that we have applied. Now let's clear all the filters with this button. This first visual shows us all the KPIs, important KPIs that we need, which are total revenue, total customers, DRGR and DCGR. DRGR is daily revenue growth rate and DCGR is daily customers growth rate. The target is dependent on the month selected. Let's select a month and see how it behaves. Let's select February 2023 for an example. Here we can see that total revenue for the month of February 2023 is 142.64 million. We can verify this from this graph, which shows the revenue for the month of February 2023 as 142.6 million, 64 million. This part shows us that this revenue is 1.15 percentage better than the month of January 2023, which we can verify again from this graph, which shows that the revenue for January 2023 was 141.02 million. Let's clear this filter now. This visual shows us revenue and customer segmentation by city. We can toggle this between age and city using these two buttons. Let's toggle it for age. We can further drill it down to see how each city is performing in that age group and vice versa. Now these two visuals shows the revenue trend by month and policy ID. And we can again toggle this for month and customers using this button. Let's move on to the second page, which is sales mode dashboard. Again, here we can see that the we can see this visual, which is revenue and customer segmentation by policy ID. We can again drill down this visual to see how each policy is doing in each sales mode. This visual shows the total revenue by sales mode, and this visual shows the revenue trend for sales mode for each month. We can again toggle between revenue and customer using these buttons. Now let's go to the age group dashboard. Here, the first visual shows the revenue for each age group divided by the sales mode. The second visual shows the age group versus policy preference by revenue. The third visual here shows the revenue trend by age group for each month. And the fourth visual shows the age group versus settlement percentage. Here we can see that the settlement percentage for the age group 18 to 24 is the lowest at 37.51 percentage and is highest at 74.33 percentage for the age group 65 and above. We can again toggle between customers and revenue using these buttons. This is all about the Shield Insurance dashboard. Now let's get into the insights that we have created using this dashboard. Insight number 1. Overall performance. March 2023 showed a significant increase in revenue generation and customer acquisition. Insight number 2. Regional performance. Both revenue and customers are high in Delhi compared to other cities. Insight number 3. Demographic insights. Age group 31 to 40 is leading in both revenue generation and customer acquisition. Insight number 4. Sales channels. Offline agent sales accounts for 55% of both revenue and customers. Offline direct sales saw a decline in both revenue and customers, while online app sales saw a significant increase. Insight number 5. Policy preference. Policy POL 4321 HEL has highest customer base, while policy POL 2005 HEL leads in revenue generation. Now let's get into the recommendations for Shield Insurance. These are the few recommendations that I have. First is focusing on two cities which are Indore and Chennai. As we have seen in the revenue and number of customers in these cities is very less. So implementing some targeted strategies to boost revenue and customer engagement. Next, we have seen age groups 18 to 24 and 25 to 30 had the least customers and revenue. So, engaging with these age groups by increasing awareness and tailored marketing efforts might attract this demographic. Third is prioritizing digital channels. In the dashboard, we have seen that in the month of April 2023, online channels have done well and sales from offline channels have declined. From this, we can see that people are prioritizing digital mode. So, leveraging the growing trend in online sales through apps and websites will be a good idea. At last, I have revitalized the offline sales. Like I said in the previous point, offline sales have declined, so we need to find the causes behind this decline and increase the agent incentives will help in boosting this sales channel. Thank you all. This is all from my side and hope you all liked it. Feel free to give your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.